Hello guys, this is Mrs. Edrisa T. Flores, your teacher in Practical Research 1. Before we start our lesson, I just want to give some explanation bakit video ang ginawa ko. Kasi first, kung magpapag-Google Meet kasi ako sa inyo or magpapmeeting ako sa inyo through FB Messenger or Google Meet or Zoom and etc. Gusto ko kasi sanang bigyan ng consideration yung mga ibang estudyante na hindi makaka-attend dahil sa mga reason na, for example, walang load, o kaya busy by that time, may ginagawa, may nag-aalaga ng kapatid, nagluluto, or kung ano pa. And then, para din sa mga estudyante na walang pang-load, so in case that, kung video, at least, pwede nyong balikan, di ba? Or gusto nyo mapanood ulit, pwede nyo siyang balikan. So, hope naiintindihan nyo. Anyway, let's move on to our discussion, which is, ang title natin is about identifying the inquiry and writing research title. So, you have learned from the previous lessons about qualitative research. How does it differ from quantitative research, its characteristics, strength, weaknesses, and kinds, and also the importance of qualitative research across fields. In this lesson, you will learn about designing research project related to daily life, writing research title, and providing justification for conducting research. So research is not just a valuable tool in building a crucial knowledge, but it is also the most reliable way to understand the complexities of various issues in our everyday life. Designing a research project is just like making a blueprint of our house. So, parang gumagawa lang tayo ng design ng bahay natin. Na it always starts with the essential questions that will be resulted to a better. Choosing and developing a research topic. The ability to develop a good research topic is an important skill. An instructor may assign you a specific topic, but most often instructors requires you to select your own topic of interest. Bakit? Syempre naman, kung mag-i-research ka, doon na sa interesado ka, di ba? Para walang hirap na gagawin, hindi burden para sa'yo kasi interesado ko dun sa topic nyo. So, when deciding on a topic, there are few things that you will need to do. That is, first is brainstorm for ideas. So, once na nakapili ka na research topic, kailangan mong mag-isip ng maraming ideas about doon. So, halimbawa, COVID-19. I want COVID-19 in the Philippines. So, ano ba yung possible na ideas about that? So, number one, frontliners. Pwede. About frontliners, there should be death rates, number of deaths, survival rates, ways on how to prevent being infected of COVID-19. Yan, yung mga ganyan. Next, choose a topic that will enable you to read and understand the literature. Syempre naman, kung kukuha ka na rin lang ng topic, syempre yung naiintindihan mo na, di ba? Kasi sa pag-research, kukuha ka ng mga case studies, yung mga pag-aaral tungkol dun sa topic mo. Syempre, yung naiintindihan nyo na, hindi na yung mahihirapan kayo. Meron, baka mamaya kumuha kayo Chinese or Korean or French. Paano yung maiintindihan yun? Hindi naman yun ang lingwahe natin. Mas magiging komplikado ang research kapag ganon. Number 3, ensure that the topic is manageable and the material is available. Katulad na lang nun, kailangan available dito sa Pilipinas yung may makukuha kayo dito sa Pilipinas or available dito sa atin. Napakahirap naman kung kukuhanin nyo pa sa ibang bansa, di ba? Next, make a list of keywords. Like for example, balik tayo sa COVID-19. COVID-19, ano yung pwedeng maging keywords dyan? So, frontliners, virus, so yung mga ganon, death rates, survival rates, so yun yung mga possible keywords. Next is be flexible, and then define your topic as a focus research question. Syempre kapag gagawa ka ng topic, yung tungkol dun yung magiging tanong mo, 'di ba? So halimbawa, about COVID-19. Ano ba yung, kailangan kasi ang questions is answerable by yes or no, or your my choices. So, are you infected? Have you been infected by COVID-19? Yes or no? So, syempre, ganun. So, syempre, kailangan yung mga questions mo tungkol dun or related sa topic mo. Next is research and read more about your topic. So, ayan. Alam naman natin, from the word itself, research. Kailangan mong mag-gather ng data or information about the topic mo. Next, lastly, formulate a research statement. So, what is a research statement? A research statement is a summary of research achievement and a proposal for upcoming research. It often includes both current aims and findings and future goals. Research statements are usually requested as a part of a relative job application process and often assist in the identification of appropriate applicant. So, yon. Drafting a research title is a key task in research as this will capture the essence of what you wish to do in your inquiry. There are various ways that can help you develop one. So here are the tips. First, consider the ideas behind your research topic. Identify these main ideas and how they are related to one another. Try to inform a possible title using this main idea. Like for example, if your topic is about the STEM students and their motivation in choosing such strand in senior high school, then yung main idea nyo is about STEM student and their motivation. Diba? Number 2, completing the following sentence. My study is about can also aid you in drafting a research title as it captures the essence of your research topic in one sentence. Example, my study is about how the STEM students choose their strand in senior high school. Number 3, you may also consider citing several attributes of your research such as its purpose, conceptualization, approach, design, and method used. And that is according to ABWEG 2020. Number 4, in addition, according to Trinidad 2018, considered to make the research title as concise as possible and to deflect unnecessary words. Avoid using these phrases, an approach to or a study of. Number 5, you may consider also developing a single title or a two-part title. Example, Science at ATM Cards, a motivational tool in teaching and learning science. Remember, the first part is a snappy phrase intended to catch audience attention while the second part is more descriptive, the actual study. So, having a two-part title can provide number 1, additional context. Number 2, temporal scope of the research. Number 3, the main theory. 4, approach. And 5, methodology used. And that is according to the University of Southern California 2016. So, parts of a research title. Or number 1, a catchy hook. This is the least important part of an academic title. Introduces the paper in a creative way para mas maging catchy. Kapag kasi naging catchy yung topic mo, maraming pwedeng bumasa ng research mo. Number 2, a topic keyword. The what of the paper. This identifies concept to be explored. They are present in the title both for human scanning lots of articles and for search engine indexing. So, like for example, magsa-search ka, 'di ba? Minsan sa Google, search mo lang yung keyword or word na gusto mong hanapin. And then kapag tinype mo sa Google 'yon and then in-enter mo, automatic lahat ng mga information na may keyword na ganon lalabas. So, that is one of the purpose bakit naglalagay tayo ng topic keyword. Next is the focus keyword. The where, or when of the paper. Along with the topic keyword, these more specific keywords are vital so that the researchers can drill down to specific articles that pertain to their research. Siyempre, kailangan natin makita kung saan ginawa yung research at kung kailan. Para kapag siya ay dinrill down or kapag ni-research ng ibang researchers, makita agad yon. So, those are the parts of the research title. Now, let us proceed to your activities. So, for your learning task 1, explain ko na lang din kung paano nyo sasagutan yung mga task doon sa LEAP nyo. So, first is, look at the given picture below. If you are going to make a story out of the picture, what will be its title? So, as you can see, these are frontliners. So, ano ba yung possible na maging title nun? At bakit yun ang napili mong title? Okay? Learning task 2. On a space provided, write yes if the statement is correct and no otherwise. So, alam nyo na yan. Answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This activity should be done in your notebook kasi wala namang nakalagay na instruction dyan sa LEAP na kung saan nyo pwedeng gawin. Okay? Number 3. The student will provide reasons in conducting of each given title topics below. Write your answer in the space provided. So, this time, I prefer na gawin nyo sa bond paper. So, what you're going to do is provide reasons. Bakit ito yung i-research? Reason in conducting the research. Bakit sa tingin nyo? Number 1, reading comprehension of grade 12 students. Bakit kaya kailangang i-research to? Or ano ba yung reason ba't kailangan gawin ito? Number 2, the case of senior high working student. 3, the lived experience of senior high school students in work immersion. Number 4, impact of peer teaching in the performance of students in science. Number 5 is number of students per senior high school track. So, ano kaya yung mga possible reasons bakit kailangan i-research itong mga topics na to? So, again, gawin nyo to sa bond paper individually. Okay? Learning task 4. List down 3 problems or issues in your field of interest and expertise. Explain your reason for choosing the said topic. Decision making is very important in choosing a topic for research, so you must consider the following questions. What problem I want to solve? Who will benefit from this study? Why do I need to conduct this study? And what are the possible research questions for the said study? So, this time, gusto ko gawin nyo to as a group. So, instead of 3 problems, kung sa group nyo, you are 5 members, I want to see 5 problems. So, gagawin nyo to by group. Choose your leader, and then, ipasa nyo lang kung ano yung pwedeng issue. For the leaders, gusto kong lagyan nyo ng names ng mga members na magpapasa sa inyo. Okay? So, para mas madali, isang student or isang member, isang problem, tsaka ang reason for choosing that topic. Again, kung 5 kayo sa grupo, 5 problems at reasons for choosing the topic, isusulat or itatype sa bond paper at ipapasa sa akin. Okay? Next. From your answer in learning task 4, choose one topic, issue, you want to study. Identify the following concept being asked on a graphic organizer below to come up with the research title. So, ayan na. So, this time, still in your group, gusto ko pumili kayo ng topic or issue na gusto nyong i-research. And then, pipili na kayo ng dalawang main idea, yung purpose nito, at yung approach na gagawin nyo, at saka yung working research title. So, again, this is by group to be passed by your leader. na nakasulat sa or nakatype sa bond paper, pipicturan and isesend sa Google Drive natin. Again, leaders, inform mo ako kung sino yung mga tumulong sa iyo sa paggawa nitong activity nyo to. So, learning task 6. Read and analyze each item and circle the letter of the correct answer. This will be answered individually in your notebook. Okay? So, for your reflection, again in your notebook, write your personal insights about the lesson using the prompt below. I understand that, I realize that, and then I need to learn about blank. So, in your notebook. Again, if you have questions, you can personally message me in my FB Messenger. And then, ano pa ba? If ever yung by group, again leaders, inform nyo ako kung sino yung nagko-cooperate sa inyong group work. And also, you don't need to go on your group mate's house. Kasi pwede naman kayong mag-usap through text messages, FB Messenger, or you can even call your group mates. So, walang lalabas. Dahil bawal pa naman talaga kayo lumabas. Lahat ng mga activities nyo will be done through online platforms or through text or calls. Ano pa ba? To be submitted on Friday. Okay? So, again, i-check ko ulit yung mga outputs nyo, picturean nyo, send nyo sa Google Drive na binigay ko sa inyo. Weekly, mag-check ako sa araw ng class natin, doon ko i-release kung sino yung mga nag-send ng output sa akin. And then para dun sa mga group works, I'm going to make another folder for your group at doon nyo naman iipunin lahat. Or pwedeng sa Google Drive na lang ng leader, sa folder na lang ng leader, gumawa doon ng folder, then nakalagay doon kung anong group kayo. Doon na lang iipunin ni leader yung mga ipapasa nyo sa aking outputs. Okay? Again, kung may mga questions, pwede nyo akong tanungin sa oras ng klase natin. So, that's all for today. Goodbye. Have a nice day.